Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Danielle. I just wanted to take a quick minute and make a review on a product I recently found. I was out shopping after the holidays and they always have their 50% off their clearance, their holiday clearance, and I came across this little gem. Olay's Cleansing and Renewing with Retinol Nighttime Body Wash and their Nighttime Rinse Off Body Conditioner with Retinol. It's a little combo pack. After the holidays, I think it was on sale for like $7. This stuff is absolutely amazing. My skin feels so soft. I literally went up to my husband and was like, babe, you have to feel how soft my skin is. It's really thick, it's moisturizing. I don't know if you can really tell. I don't know, it's really creamy though. I absolutely love it. If you're looking for a new body wash or just a nighttime cream, I highly recommend this. It smells amazing. It leaves your skin super soft. I'm at an age now, I'm like 30, almost 32 in a few days. And I'm just really been trying to focus on taking care of my skin, taking care of my health, eating better, exercising more. And this was just a fun little gem to add to it. That's it today, guys. I appreciate you following. Click like, subscribe, leave a comment. If you've tried this, leave a comment and let me know. Let me know if you love it as much as I do. Thank you.